Let me show you how I make beaded bows. You can use beads in different colors and sizes from what I use, and you don't have to follow the exact steps either. This tutorial will give you a good starting point, I hope. I'm using 0.3mm clear string and the bead sizes are 2, 3, and 4. Please check the description for more details. Thread your beads 7 small, 1 medium, 7 small. Take both ends of the string and cross them through the center beads. One side is done, and let's do it the other side. And take the string and take the ends through the bead and pull. Top part is done, and now thread your beads to make tails. I used 3 small, 1 medium, and 1 large bead. And then skip the large bead and thread the string back through the other beads. So pull the beads close to the loops and repeat the other side. Thread 3 small 2mm one, and then medium size, and then 1 big one. And then we're going to thread back without the big one in the end. So we skip the 4mm bead, thread the beads all the way up. Bring one end of the string through the center bead. So we will have the both strings together to tie a knot. And I twist twice to make it more secure. And then pull. And I make another knot. Glue onto the knot to keep it secure. Apply a small amount of glue to the earring post. Press the post onto the center of the bow and hold until secure. Now that you know how to make a bow, you can easily create a bow ring too. I will post a tutorial on how to make a bow ring next time. You can use the loop to connect an earring hook or wire it to an earring base instead of using glue. This bow making technique isn't limited to earrings. You can also apply it to other accessories.